How can you measure the success of an outbound call campaign and track the number of successful calls? Or maybe you want to know the exact reason why your outbound calls weren't connected? Was it your agent who didn't connect to the call on time? Or was the contact just busy? Or was the number incorrect? MightyCall's call dispositions will give you all the answers you need. So what are call dispositions? Simply put, call dispositions are labels or tags assigned to a call to categorize its outcome. Think of them as the summary notes for each interaction during your outbound campaigns. Call dispositions are divided into two groups, agent dispositions and system dispositions. Now let's look at them both. Agent dispositions can be manually selected by agents after the calls take place to provide more detailed information about what was reached during the call. The most common ones are successful call, call back later, or not interested, among others. In MightyCall, you can enable some of the default ones or add your own custom ones, depending on the campaign's details, with up to 30 agent dispositions in total. Agent dispositions are shared across all campaigns, so once you create one, it will be available for others too. The customizable retry option is also available here, which means you can determine what happens next after calls with certain outcomes. Agent dispositions allow you to track specific call outcomes and identify areas for improvement, which could include campaign optimization or agent training. Now, system dispositions are automatically assigned by the system based on the reason why a call wasn't connected. In MightyCall, the predefined dispositions are contact busy, contact no response, contact abandoned, invalid number, and answering machine. You can't customize the system dispositions themselves, as they refer to built-in technical call result codes. Although in MightyCall, you can set up retry rules for each system disposition, whether it's final, meaning the dialer will never call this number again, or to set up custom retry rules, including the time period after which the contact will be dialed again, and the number of attempts per phone number. While system dispositions are not very informative in terms of call outcomes, because the call in essence never happened, they do show why calls weren't connected, which can help you analyze the connection rate of your contact lists and make some changes if necessary. Now, let's dive into the summary of these call outcomes in the report section. The tab is simply called Dispositions, and here's what you'll see there. Values for each call disposition, including both system and agent dispositions, can be listed based on the agent, campaign, business number, or time frame. Scroll to the right to see the full scope. And don't forget that you can filter it down to exactly what you're looking into. Additionally, by clicking on Columns, you can customize your report's view, selecting the sections to include and rearranging their order. And of course, you can export your report in a CSV file here. Call dispositions help you analyze call performance, identify trends, and make changes to your outbound efforts. If you still have any questions, please write us in the comments below, or use the contacts you see on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Check out this video to see how to set up your outbound campaign with one of MightyCall's auto dialers.